Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we want to look at example of words that has the sound shin and the ones that has the sound jin. In this lesson, I want you to take note that Tion always has the sound shin, while Sion always go with the sound jin. Look at the words that has the two sounds. Examination, vision, formation, confusion, conversation, decision, fraction, fusion, diction, transfusion, motion, revision, destination, division, instruction,
Audio Jungle.
persuasion, information,
Audio Jungle.
explosion, education, and seclusion. Thank you and see you in the next class.